Hello and welcome to Money Watch channel, and this is Kundu, and in today's video I am going to teach you how you can make money by publishing Kindle books. And what do I mean by Kindle is Kindle is but before I start this video, I want to let you know that if you are new to this channel, then kindly subscribe to this channel so that you will come to know about any future videos which I release whenever I release them. And I release every day make money online videos, so kindly subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified. So in today's video I am going to teach you how you can make money by publishing online books. And what do I mean by this is you will be publishing online ebooks which will make you money, and the platform on which we are going to publish is it's completely free. There is no need to pay money to publish books, and you will be making royalties whenever the book gets get a sale. Okay, so the platform which I'm going to show you today is called Kindle Direct Publishing. So the website is kdp.amazon.com. Simply go to this website, and what you will do is you will sign up here as a publisher. Just hold on. Simply, simply create your KDP account. Click on this and enter your name, email, password, and enter your password, and you will be able to just follow the steps, and you will be able to generate this and then make your account. Okay, once you are okay, then you will be able to publish books on Kindle. But before that, I want you to watch this video.
Okay, so the hard part is done, right? Not so fast. I mean, you knew what you were doing when you were writing the book, but publishing it? That's not...
It's very simple, guys. You can publish books in any of these categories: business and investing, comics and graphic novel, education and textbooks, KDP kids, literature and fiction, Kindle books for kids. Also, you can publish literature and fiction, mystery, thrillers and suspense, non-fiction, romance, science fiction and fantasy, teens and young adults. So these are some of the categories on which you can publish. And the cool part is you can publish your book in ebook format and as well as paperback format, meaning as soon as someone orders a paperback format, then your book will be printed and posted to their address where they can read your books. Okay, so it's very cool way to make money, and let me show you how many people are making money from Kindle platform. Okay, so let me show you that. Kindly hold on while I load up the website. It's very cool way to make money online. Okay, you can easily make money by publishing your books, and it's completely free of cost. So you can see here, if I load up this website, click on this website, then you will come to know that Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as KDP, is a very legitimate way to make money online. Amazon launched this platform on 2007, and since then many authors, self-published authors have been making money online, and they are earning full-time income. So you can see they have $10,000 a month, $3,000 a month. Okay, so it's pretty cool way to make money. So I'll show you another website. See, if you are worried about you don't know how to write and you are not an author, then you can do one thing. You can hire other authors to write for you. Just pick a category, and uh, some of the places are Upwork.com. You can go there and hire ghostwriters, and they will write for you. Okay, so if your book ranks 20,000 on sales rank, then you will make $377. So it's pretty cool way to make money, guys. So in future I will be releasing some more videos regarding how to make money online writing Kindle books. So stay tuned and kindly subscribe to this channel so that you will be notified about that. And that's it for this video. And if you have any question, then comment in the comment section, and I will be happy to help you out. So till then, and very happy new year to all of you and your family, and may God bring prosperous new year to you and all your family. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.